I'm from Vietnam.
Wait.
Oh,
I don't.
nice,
Yeah.
nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. Hi.
Right. Oh, I cannot see your face. Can you show me?
No.
What happened?
Bye.
No, no, no. I can. Hello. Where are you from? Um, I cannot hear your voice. Can you speak? Okay. Colombia. Oh, nice. How old are you? Oh.
FBI, open up!
Hello.
Hey man,
Hey man.
is that a fake Fila hoodie?
No, no, no.
Do we have the same headset? Jesus,
Oh,
Corsair
shit.
Void Pro.
Mine is.
Jeez. RG. Oh, I don't have the
Oh.
RGB. That's too expensive.
Um, where are you from?
I'm from China.
Oh, China. 你好吗，兄弟？
Yeah, because look, I have this like Chinese keyboard.
Oh, I'm having this keyboard.
What is that? A Corsair penis?
No, no, no. Cosmic Byte. The brand is unknown. It's
No way we have the same mouse.
Yo, holy shit! This man. Hello. Anyone there? Is the house haunted? Hello? Oh, I'm afraid. Hello? 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 Anyone there? Hello? 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 Oh my god, there's a ghost, there's a ghost. I'm so afraid.
Shit,
Oh.
let the poor boy sleep.
你好吗？
What?
你好。Hello?
你好。
你好吗？哎，I'm
Привет, как дела? Хорошо.
谢谢谢谢。你是中国？
Привет.
I'm from China.
I am from
Russia.
I from Russia.
Oh.
And
We're too loud again.
I'm from Russia. I'm looking for a woman sexy.
I sleep loud.
Oh.
That acts correct.
Yeah.
You have to go like this. Well, what's your name?
My name is
Let's see.
Vladimir.
Vater. Your mom. Vater. My mom goes water.
Vladimir. You
What?
should teach me the accent. Russian accent.
Well, I just make fun of my mom, so I'm not a pro. But
War.
what are you doing? How does she say? What are you doing? Come here right now.
Come here right now.
Oh, you can roll your
Yeah.
R's. Bella, you're screaming. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna be on church.
Christina, you're being loud.
Where are you from?
I'm from
America.
Russia.
Oh, America.
I'm from America.
Oh. Are you afraid of
Yeah.
World War III?
You're very, very afraid. If yes.
If yes.
I was gonna say something, but I don't want to look stupid, so I just didn't say it.
Is someone cooking in your kitchen?
I
Yes,
can
my
hear
mom,
hot.
my mother
Back.
Russia is cooking in my kitchen.
Oh, Mother
Mother,
Russia?
Yeah,
make
mother
me
Russia.
something.
We will
Make me some borscht.
we will bury them.
Ask her if she can make me some borscht.
March.
Some chicken dumplings
Oh.
would be awesome with like chicken stock.
Hey, mom, they are asking for a meat cigarette.
I love that. Gold. Gold.
Holy shit.
I'm really tired. What time is it? Oh, it's
Um,
6 o'clock. Dude, I'm so freaking tired.
It's
Oh
5:30
no.
p.m. here.
I'm so tired.
I think I go to bed now.
Yeah.
Good night.
Good
Okay,
night.
I'm a head out.
Okay, I'm from
Bye.
Vietnam.
I'm from Russia. Good night. Good night.
Arey yaar,
Bye.
why are you saying good night? I'm from India. What the hell are you saying?
What you talk about?
Yeah.
We
Hey,
both from India now.
I'm from India. Arey
I'm from
yaar.
India too. I love my daddy, my superhero. I better say that. Oh, yeah.
You
I'm gonna
bet-
pass out.
Okay.
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 Okay. Bye.
Good night.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, I don't want to skip. I don't want to skip. Can you
Why?
skip?
No, I
I
don't
don't
want to
want to
skip.
skip. I don't want to skip. Yeah.
You're so funny.
We're
Yeah.
funny.
Good night.
Bye.
Can you skip, please?
What?
Okay.
My button broken.
Your
My
button's
button broken.
My button.
I thought you said
My
my butthole
button.
broken.
My button broken.
My button broken.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Where are you
Is
from?
that your mom in the back?
Yeah. My mom and dad.
She has a nice ass.
Oh. Thank you. I'll tell her.
Tell her right now.
Yeah.
Say, Mom,
Say, mom.
white man has said you have nice ass.
Uh,
Say it right now.
no, she doesn't know English.
Tell her in Chinese.
Chinese. 同性的吗？
Fuck.
肯定的吗？有什么？
What do you tell her?
Yeah, she say thank you.
Please.
No. Can I see yours?
My ass?
Yeah.
If you show me your mom's ass.
No, I'll show you my ass.
No, your mom.
No, I wanna see your ass. Do I look like Chinese?
What are you?
I'm from Vietnam. I'm from Vietnam.
Oh, you're Vietnamese.
I can be Chinese also. You wanna buy my shop? $2 only. $2 in store. Retail. Original. 100% original. You wanna buy? I give you discount.
I want to see your mom's ass.
No.
Why?
You need to pay $1 to unlock.
Wait, tell your mom to come here.
No. She's
Please.
she's in Iraq, okay? Allahu Akbar. Allah Kola.
So she don't have it. Your mom.
Now
Yeah,
I know where you live.
good one.
Yeah. I have your password on Facebook also.
Please tell me.
Okay, I look into your Facebook account and send some nudes to your mom.
Okay, please. Make sure your
Who is the
nudes so I
guy
can
that
see them as well.
you are simulating the webcam? I don't know him.
I am simulating the webcam, yes.
Yeah, who is he? Who is he?
I don't know.
Oh, he looked like a potato, like the
Yeah.
walnut from Plant vs Zombies. Hello,
Hi.
where are you from? Where are you from?
From New Zealand.
New Zealand. Oh, I'm from Vietnam. Rồi chưa có thể đọc lắm. Hey, what you do? What you do?
Why are you talking like that? It's really annoying. You know, you can
Oh,
talk like retard.
Vietnamese accent. Vietnamese.
Can you not talk like a retard, please?
Vietnamese accent. Okay.
I will eat your children if you don't shut up.
Vietnam.
I'm gonna bite your dick off.
Oh. Yeah, I'm from Vietnam.
You're such a comedian.
No, I'm not a comedian.
Yeah, you are. So
Yeah.
funny.
Yeah, you wanna buy my t-shirt $2 only.
That's racist.
No,
You
no,
just
no,
eat
no, $2. From store you get $200, but I give discount.
Let me fucking talk. Are you the guy that ate my cat?
What?
Are you the guy that ate my cat?
Cat? Your accent and my accent is different, so I cannot hear you properly. Can you say slowly?
Did you eat my cat?
Your cat.
Yeah, meow. Yeah, did you eat?
I eat your cat. I eat your cat. Sorry. Can I be your cat?
Yeah.
Oh. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. What's
I know you
your
ate
name?
cat.
What's your name?
Jessica?
Jessica and Monica.
What's your name?
My
Yeah.
name Ramdina.
Because you
Yeah.
ate the cat.
You call me Ramdina. Yeah. You can call me Johnny. Cat.
I will call you cat.
Jessica. Jessica. You're so funny. You're so funny.
I'm so